Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to record Google Meet video call on an iPhone. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all, just open up settings and then just scroll down until you see control center. It should be below general and above action button if you are on an iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max, or it should be disabled. It should be above display and brightness. So just go to control center and scroll down until you see screen recording and edit like this. I've already done that, guys. So once you have done that, then just open this menu like this and click on this red button and it will start recording your screen, and it will record everything, which in this case is a Google Meet video call on an iPhone. So it will also record that. So yeah guys, this is how I do it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.